Magic, absolute magic. Getting absolutely drenched here. Just the spray coming off it. Oh, Millaa Falls is pumping. Had a lot of rain the last few days. This should be looking awesome. All misty and steamy. The sun's out. It's looking, yeah, it's all steamy and misty. Check it out. It's pumping alright. Bloody mist is just pouring off it. Hey, how's that? What a bloody beauty. Absolutely beautiful. See how close I can get without the bloody lens just getting saturated and can't see nothing. Magic, absolute magic. Wow, the pressure coming off it. Getting absolutely drenched here. Just the spray coming off it. Awesome. I'm literally getting soaked. I'll get the drone out and get up above it. I can't fly down here, it'll just fall out of the sky, I think. Too wet. Oh, it's beautiful, so fresh. Just the spray, man, pouring off it. Unreal. That's just beautiful. All the spray, mist. I'm drenched. Glasses are bloody satch. Can't see. Awesome. Alright, I'll get the drone up and have a bit of a look from above.